Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this tablet. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Now click on this button at the bottom right corner twice, then choose Got It, and finally tap on the date that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour. You can also disable this feature if you wish to by clicking on this switcher over here, then select Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you wish your event to repeat, like every year. Now you need to scroll down, add people, set up notification, minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes, and even click on Add Location, choose while using the app, type in an address and click on the correct one. When you're ready, you can save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to edit it, you need to click on it over here. Then click on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. After that, you need to select Save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!